Welcome to the AJAX Engineering. This is your troubleshooting guide. In this video, we'll go through the steps to diagnose and fix issues when your machine is not moving forward or reverse. These are the steps we'll be covering in this video. 1. Checking operator input and dashboard indicators. 2. Verifying hydraulic oil level. 3. Inspecting the emergency parking brake. 4. Checking the inching valve lever. 5. Testing solenoid valve and electrical connections. 6. Checking fuse and relay status. Let's get started. Step 1. Check operator selection and dashboard indicators. First, ensure the operator knows how to select forward or reverse through FNR switch. Make sure the machine is not in neutral. Next, check if the Gear 1 or Gear 2 light is glowing on the dashboard. If it is, proceed. Now ask the operator to select the forward or reverse position using the FNR switch. If the machine moves, stop the diagnosis here. If not, continue to the next step. Step 2. Check hydraulic oil level. Check the hydraulic oil level indicator on the tank. The oil should be at least at the minimum level. If it's low, top it up to the maximum mark and recheck machine movement. Step 3. Check the emergency parking brake. Check the red parking brake button on the steering compartment. If it's engaged, a red P light will glow on the dashboard. This will prevent forward or reverse selection. Release the emergency parking brake switch, then select forward or reverse again. If the machine moves, the issue is resolved. If not, continue. Step 4. Check the inching valve lever. Locate the inching valve lever on top of the Rexroth pump, below the air filter, and behind the engine. Ensure the lever is positioned at 6 o'clock when viewed from the drum side. Check if the spring on the lever is present and secure. If the lever is stuck, apply oil, free the movement, and bring it back to the 6 o'clock position. Step 5. Check the solenoid valve assembly. Inspect the solenoid coils on the Rexroth pump. The top coil controls reverse and the bottom coil controls forward. Check that the terminal connections and wiring numbers 124 and 125 are intact. Measure the voltage. It should be 12 volts. If voltage is available, check coil magnetism using a screwdriver. If the screwdriver is magnetized, the coil is healthy. If not, continue to the next step. Step 6. Check earthing, fuse, and relay connections. If 12 volts are available near the solenoid coil, check the earthing connection on the chassis near the engine. Tighten it if it's loose. If no voltage is found, open the fuse box under the driver's seat. Inspect fuse F107, rated 15 amps. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one and recheck machine operation. If the issue persists, inspect relays K111 and K102. Make sure they are clicking and providing 12-volt supply. Replace any faulty relay and verify machine movement again. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and resolve forward or reverse movement issues in your AJAX machine. If you need more information or technical support, please contact AJAX Engineering.